The big fish weighs half kg. The small one weighs 1 by 4 kg. Together they weigh. Okay, so we have. Yeah, let's analyze the situation. We have two things. One is half a kg, 1 by 2 kg fish, and the other is 1 by 4 kg fish. Now the question is, what is the total of 1 by 2 and 1 by 4? So to help us with this, we'll go back to making use of Panda. So 1 by 4, it looks like this. So let's copy and paste this. So remember, this is 1 by 4. Now we have actually, let me not do that. Let me do it here. So this is 1 by 4. Okay, guys. Now let me reduce it to 1 by 2. So this is 2 and this is 1. So this is 1 by 2. And I'll paste it here for you guys. Can you see anything over here which will help us? Can you see anything that will help us? Actually, let me do it over here. Yeah, can you see anything that will help us? Can you see this? Or let me keep it close, something like this. So what I'm trying to show here is, if I happen to draw a straight line over here and over here, they are overlapping. Do you guys agree? Now, if I happen to copy this part, or let me copy this part, and if I happen to paste it, can you see what's happening? Can you see that? What's happening? It's occupying. Let me close everything else. Actually, we need this part though. Yeah. Not very clear, but if you carefully observe this, only this. Can you see that there are how many parts? Sorry, not that. Oh, here. See that there are how many parts? This is 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. And how many have we selected? And can you see that they are all equal? And so basically how many have selected? 1, 2, 3. So basically this is, so the sum of this is equal to, correct, 3 by 4. So this is a working. Because I was able to overlap things over here, we happen to get it. So let me remove this. So this 2 will add and it will give us 3 by 4. There are 4 parts and we have selected 3. So it gave us 3 by 4. So again, I'll repeat what I did. See, if I happen to cut this into 4 equal parts, which one? 1 by 4. So this is basically 2 by 4, right? My bad. If I happen to cut 1 by 2 into 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the blue section is in 2 space, that is 2 things are selected. So the fraction will be 2 by 4. And here there is 1 by 4 that is being selected. 1 part selected out of 4. The combination of 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 is 3 by 4. And so that's our answer. So this will be 3 by 4 kg. So I'll just write it over here, the conclusion. Total weight is equal to 3 by 4 kg. Again, guys, the fundamental aspect to any fraction is that we have to divide it into equal parts. Okay. So let me actually still I can make it more clear. So can you see that 1 by 2? This for our understanding. For our understanding. So what I'm trying to show is 1 by 2 can also be viewed as the following. Can be viewed as this as well. Can you see that? So this would be, this is what? This is 2 by 4 and this is 1 by 2. So from this diagram, what can you tell? 1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 4. All right, it is equal to 2 by 4. So when we have this 2 by 4 and this, and we rearrange this, we are able to see that we have selected 3 parts out of 4. And so our fraction is 3 by 4. And everything goes back to the same concept that fraction is selection of, it's a representation of selection of parts of the entirety. So you take up one unit, divide it into parts and select them. So when you select them, you're selecting one of the equal parts or two of the equal parts or three of the equal parts. And so you will be able to write the fraction as well.